Honorable Speaker,
under Rule 16, I extend the House for 15 minutes. Obituary references of the said demise of Sri Chandrakant Pednekar, veteran freedom fighter.
Adjourn now for 15 minutes. Adjourn for 15 minutes.
Extend केले मरे 15 मिनट extend केले 15 extend केले नाही Chandrakant Pednekar, veteran freedom fighter from Parvarim, original from Mayam. I request the members to stand for 1 minute obituary. Thank you. Congratulatory references. This House anniversary congratulates Sri Rajan Arlekar, former member of the House, former Speaker and also former Minister of Government of Goa, on being appointed as Honorable Governor of the State of Himachal Pradesh. This House anniversary congratulates Sri Mavin Gujino on his appointment on the group of ministers on revenue analysis on the GST Council, as well as his appointment on other group of ministers, namely GOM, group of on boosting of real estates, his membership on the GOM in deciding the quantum of taxation of the gambling industry, which includes casinos, online gaming, horse racing, etc. It is a matter of great pride that a person of his stature has been appointed to the prestigious committees in a sense of vote of confidence on his handling important issue as regards to indirect taxation in the new regime of one nation, one tax, which is now called GST. Mrs. Mirabai Chanu, weightlifter, who bagged the silver medal in the women's 49 kg category at Tokyo Olympics. Master Yash Prahar Savardekar, for being selected as one of the National Bravery Awardee 2020, instituted by Indian Council for Child Welfare, Government of India. Purti Savardekar and Akshay Parvatkar for producing a Goan movie that has won multiple Filmfare Awards. Mrs. Sanjana Prabhugaokar for bringing home 4 gold medals and 1 silver medal at the first swimming community performance championship Dubai. Mr. Lenny Dagama for being appointed by the Boxing Task Force as the only Asian technical official at the Olympics Boxing Task Force, as the only Asian technical official at boxing competition in Tokyo. This House anonymously congratulates Padma Shri Vinayak Khedekar and artist Sri Kanta Kashinath Gowde for winning the prestigious Dr. Kamal Kothari Smriti Lifetime Achievement Award. Mr. Raj Tilak Naik, Chief Photojournalist of the Times of India, Goa edition, and the President of Goa Union of Journalists for winning the prestigious Global Photographic Union Medal in the photojournalism at 64th Photographic Society of Sri Lanka International Photography Competition and Exhibition. Secretary, Chief Minister, to papers to be laid on the table.
Sir, I lay on the table the paper shown against my name in today's order.
Vishwajit Rane.
Sir, I lay on the table the paper shown against my name in today's order.
The filling the order is?
Sir, I lay on the table the papers shown against my name in today's order.
This House is adjourned up to 2:30 p.m.